2016 to 2018 Chevy Spark. I'm doing the USB aux port replacement. What's up, everybody? I'm in a 2017 Chevy Spark, and down here in the center console area, it looks like this guy right here is bad. What you want to do is get a blue plastic interior tool. I will link one below to Amazon. They're like $5, and we're going to get this panel off. Now, there's a little line in the panel, this curved line. We're going to put our interior tool right in here and push through. Now, this plastic interior tool is made out of soft plastic, so it won't scratch your panel or break anything. It's just super soft and it's efficient. So this will pop out. Now, once this pops out, there's two connectors on the USB aux port. There's a black one and a gray one. We're going to go ahead and get these off. First, the gray one has a big thumb tab. You can push that thumb tab down and pull the connector backwards. Don't pull by the wires or else you'll break your wires. The black one has a skinnier one in the center. It's kind of tough to get to, but you could use like something to help you, like a small flathead or butter knife or something to push that button down. Now, on the sides of the USB port, there are these little I guess beige little clips that are kind of poking out, and you're going to compress those and push the USB port forward out of the panel like that. It's not too hard, and here it is right here. And then here's the part number. It should be on the bottom of it, but here's the part number. They do sell this on Amazon. I will link it below. It's surprisingly only like $35. It looks like a genuine one, to be honest, so I'm going to link this one. And when you get your new one, we're just going to put it all back together in reverse order. Push your USB port into the panel. It can only go one way. There's like a little ridge on the USB port. And then put these connectors in. Now, the gray connector has like a connector within a connector, so you need to be extra careful lining that one up. And it's kind of odd going back in, I'll be honest. The black one's very straightforward. You just push it in, but you gotta be a little bit more careful with the gray one. And we're gonna put this in the proper orientation and then just push it in like that. It'll just go into place. Should be fine, and that's it, guys. That's all I got for you. All right, guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off Oxido.com promo code. Now, Oxido has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is, they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. Oxido headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code Guillermo Auto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you gotta do is go to the website on your phone or your computer and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, you know, that stuff, and then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type Guillermo Auto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.